A major protest is occurring in Chennai as we speak, and this is a location in Egmore where the Congress protest cadres are protesting at this spot, which is Egmore. They conducted a rally, and as we speak, they are protesting at this spot. This is about vote chori. Hundreds of cadres have come over here, and they have conducted the protest. And as we speak, they are trying to cross the barricade, which the police have stopped at this location over here. And there is a kind of push and pull as they are trying to jump over this particular area, but still the police are trying to block it at this spot. This is a major protest that is occurring at Chennai against what Congress calls as vote chori. Special intensive revision seems to be the issue behind us, and this is a huge crowd that have gathered at this spot. Earlier, Rahul Gandhi and CM M.K. Stalin conducted a rally, especially in Bihar, where the Chief Minister also extended his support for this particular campaign, the vote chori campaign, where you could see now the Congress youth have also come here and are protesting at this location in Chennai.
So this election commissioner has become because of chori, because of backdoor entry, and that's why this election commission helping BJP on the backside.
Sir, why are you carrying Nariyal over here for this vote chori protest?
So it's a symbolic protest. Nariyal also is a very symbolic thing, very important thing. So we're showing that every individual who has not get the constitution should notice that vote chori is the biggest step which have happened in the history of India, because our constitution of India give the greatest right is that right to vote. Even the value of Narendra Modi ji's vote is one, and the value of every common citizen of India is one. So it's that right which Narendra Modi and BJP tried to stolen, and because of vote chori, today Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister.
BJP is not accepting your claim of vote chori and says that SIR is necessary for India.
So BJP will never accept his chori. Why he will express his chori? Otherwise, same thing will happen. That their credibility will be gone completely, as they have no credibility. We are agree, but how they are the thieves. They have done the vote chori, and it has been proved on the PC of Rahul ji would have done with the proofs, with the facts and figures. So they have no moral ground that they say we have not done the vote chori. It has been proved, and as Rahul ji said, hydrogen bomb is coming.
And such a protest is occurring with Congress cadres at Chennai. Daniel, Pramod Madhav, for India Today.